Is there a relationship between Ripple and XRP purchasers? Also, XRP has remained below its all-time high for up to 5 years and 7 months, triggering speculations of an imminent break to a new peak. Finally, Ripple CTO David Schwartz believes that digital assets like XRP could become world reserve currencies, but can it ever challenge the USD? Stick with me till the end to find out more. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of August. The ongoing correction phase in XRP price from suitable support at the 60 cents level. Amid the 3 weeks downfall, the altcoin registered a 36.5% loss as the price dropped from the July 13th high of 93 cents to the 59 cents low. The aforementioned support, aligned with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, creates a strong footing for buyers to replenish bullish momentum should you enter this dip. If the falling XRP price witnesses another surge of buying pressure to 60 cents, it would indicate the buyers are accumulating a discounted price. This demand pressure could trigger a sideways action for a few trading days, offering buyers an opportunity to regain strength. Thus, a potential breakout from the 66 cents barrier would give the first signal for recovery. Exponential moving average, the altcoin price trading above 100 and 200-day EMA, indicates the overall trend remains bullish. The RSI slope of 40% reflects the buyers having enough momentum to carry a bullish reversal. On the other hand, cryptocurrency legal experts have been reacting to the SEC's request to file an interlocutory appeal against Ripple's victory. Earlier last week, the SEC requested permission to appeal Judge Analisa Torres' ruling on Ripple's programmatic sale of XRP and other token distribution. Recall that Judge Torres ruled that both transactions do not constitute investment contracts. Notably, she reached the verdict after applying the third prong of the Howey test, a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others. Per the ruling, Judge Torres said retail buyers of XRP did not expect to make gains directly from Ripple's efforts. Hence, she declared programmatic sales of XRP on exchanges as non-securities. However, the SEC has expressed dissatisfaction over the decision and recently requested permission to appeal. Following the move, top legal experts have been speculating about the possible outcome of the appeal if granted. Michael Selig, counsel at law firm Wilkie Farr & Gallagher, joined the debate yesterday in an interview with CoinDesk. Attorney Selig speculated that the common enterprise factor of Howey would be a problem for the SEC in its attempt to overturn Judge Torres' decision on programmatic sales, irrespective of whether investors expected to make gains directly from Ripple's effort. A lot of us have really been focused on the common enterprise prong for these programmatic sales. Even if there is a reasonable expectation of profits based on the efforts of others, there is no common relationship between Ripple and XRP purchasers, he said. Per Selig, it would be difficult for the SEC to get past the common enterprise factor in the case. He speculated that the Second Circuit's decision on Ripple's other XRP distribution would also favor the company. Notably, he acknowledged that the programmatic sales issue is trickier than other distributions. Consequently, the lawyer recommended that the court apply other Howey prongs to the transactions. Furthermore, Selig added that XRP is ultimately not deemed a security in programmatic sales and other distribution. I do think XRP ultimately is still deemed in these types of transactions to be a non-security, he added. Meanwhile, several legal experts have commented on the common enterprise prong of Howey regarding the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. Crypto-Law.US founder attorney John Deaton reiterated that the SEC failed to satisfy the common enterprise factor. Notably, the regulatory agency first argued that Ripple is the common enterprise. However, it abandoned the argument after Ripple proved that XRP holders did not receive any interest from the company. Interestingly, the agency shifted its stance, alleging that the entire XRP ecosystem, including exchanges and all XRP holders globally, is the common enterprise. The argument did not stand, prompting the SEC to allege that XRP itself is the common enterprise. Attorney Deaton noted that the SEC failed to satisfy the common enterprise factor. He added that the case would be remanded even if the Second Circuit found that Judge Torres erred in applying Howey's third factor to each transaction. In this scenario, he speculated that Judge Torres would apply the common enterprise factor, which the SEC failed to satisfy, to XRP's programmatic sales and other distributions, and still find that they do not constitute investment contracts. Furthermore, LiveCoinWatch, a leading crypto-focused market tracking platform, recently released a report on the time frame several crypto assets have spent below their all-time high values. The data rightly indicates that XRP has remained below its all-time high for over 5 years. Among the 30 cryptocurrencies highlighted by LiveCoinWatch, XRP has spent the second longest duration underneath its all-time high, along with Stellar. Both assets have spent only 1 month less than Bitcoin Cash, which saw its peak value in December 2017. While XRP's actual all-time high remains a topic of debate, TradingView data puts the value at $3.31. Per the data, XRP claimed the current all-time high of $3.31 in January 2018 amidst an impressive rally that saw it appreciate by a massive 1,573% in 1 month. Notably, before the current all-time high, XRP's previous all-time high stood at 39 cents, a value it attained in May 2017. Following the drop below the previous all-time high, XRP traded below the value for 7 months before reclaiming it in December 2017. However, in what appears to be a completely different turn of events, XRP has failed to reclaim the current all-time high despite having traded below it for 5 years and 7 months. Industry pundits have ascribed this bearish reality to the legal battle with the US SEC, which has stunted XRP's growth over the years. XRP failed to capitalize on the previous bull run spearheaded by Bitcoin in 2021. BTC hit an all-time high of over $68,000 in November 2021 due to the bull run. Similarly, other crypto assets hit their peaks that year. However, XRP was subdued by the legal pressure which emanated from the SEC's lawsuit. Despite a yearly high of $1.97 in April 2021, XRP failed to make further progress. Following the ruling issued by Judge Analisa Torres on July 13, XRP gained regulatory clarity. While the SEC's move to appeal the verdict continues to pressure XRP, the declaration that it is not a security has triggered newfound confidence among investors. As a result, several market watchers believe XRP is due to claim a new all-time high before long. Precisely, a prominent crypto analyst has forecasted that XRP could hit $8.50 in the coming months. This would result in a new peak for XRP. As reported, projections of an XRP rally to $1,896 emerged within the XRP community as Ripple set its eyes on the derivatives market, but doubts abound. Attorney John Deaton also explained why XRP did not hit $1 despite the coin getting regulatory clarity via the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Deaton believes XRP will not hit a new all-time high before Bitcoin despite earning regularity clarity. Now to the big question of the day, can XRP challenge USD as the world reserve currency? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. The XRP community is again bustling with excitement as a top executive at Ripple commented on the likelihood of countries adopting digital assets as a reserve currency. In a recent Twitter space hosted by anonymous XRP community member XRP Stewie, David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, was quizzed about the possibility of two world reserve currencies coexisting. Schwartz replied in the affirmative that it is possible. The Ripple executive based his argument on the US dollar's dominant role in the reserve of most countries. Schwartz noted that various nations may be willing to explore other options, prompting the place of digital assets like XRP. Schwartz presented an intriguing perspective on how digital assets like XRP could potentially play a role in reshaping the global currency landscape. He expressed that his typical success case scenario for digital assets is when countries begin to realize that the USD cannot remain the sole reserve currency. Schwartz drew a parallel to the banking sector, highlighting his experience offering blockchain software to banks. He emphasized that smaller banks preferred software solutions not developed by major banks, as these larger entities might bias the system in their favor. Similarly, he speculated that nations could lean towards a currency that is not under the control of their political rivals. He mentioned that this scenario could be the most promising pathway for the success of digital assets like XRP, which remains neutral and decentralized. Schwartz remarked, "Nobody but the EU wants the EU to replace the dollar. Nobody but Russia wants the ruble to replace the dollar. Nobody but China wants the yuan to replace the dollar. So maybe they could settle on a currency that nobody could control rather than one controlled by their most powerful political rival." So that's like what I think is the biggest possible success scenario for digital assets. Schwartz was asked how nations could come to agree on a particular digital asset. He proposed that these nations might be more inclined to cooperate if the alternative does not involve switching one boss for another. If the choice is no boss, if that happens to make a bunch of cryptocurrency people rich, I don't think that's too much of a minus, he concluded. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.